Alright, it's February 13th, 2015, and the new Nintendo 3DS XL came out. Finally. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that the box is very small. What's the daisy? Hold on a sec. If we compare it to a regular 3DS XL box, it's just a little bit shorter. In fact, maybe get a little bit higher so you can see it a little bit better. You can see it's the regular XL box is just a teeny bit taller, but not by much, and not as thick. But it's understandable because the new 3DS XL does not include an AC adapter. This is a little bit strange, indeed, but for me it's not a big deal. Alright, so we got some of the new features on the front of the box here, and got new red along in same thing in French and Spanish. Got the new Nintendo 3DS XL logo on there. Nothing exciting on the sides here, and the back just gives off some information. So let's go ahead and open it here. Alright. So far, so good. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Alright, so, we get in the box. We get papers. So, what do we got here? Got our AR cards, which are exactly the same from 2011. And the operations manual with the quick start guide inside. Fascinating. And of course, I don't eat it. You probably don't eat it. Just put that over there. And it should just come out like so. There we go. Alright. Wow. And as the cat's crying, spoiling all the fun. That is one nice looking device. Wow. And I got cats coming on the frame here. I'm just gonna get this out of the way. Alright. Wow. First thing I'm noticing about this thing, it's actually pretty light. A little bit, definitely much lighter. So, we've got a glossy finish on front here. You see me. I'm a total nerd. Sorry guys. So we've got the two cameras up here, down here. Sorry. Got the notification light on the back. Got a glossy finish again. We got some, got Nintendo 3DS XL logo fate in there. So we got on top, got the L and R shoulder buttons. We got the brand new ZL and ZR. It's feel good. Got the infrared port. Got the charging ports. And the hand strap loop, which has been moved from the original XL, which was down here on both sides. Speaking of the bottom side, we got the game card slot, headphone jack, stylus, which is pretty small and feels a little weird. But what I'm curious about is it any thicker? I'm probably wrong. It's a little bit. Yep. Bit thicker. Feels good. I like this actually. Don't like the fact that it doesn't telescope, but it's something I can get used to quickly. Got the power button right there. Nothing on the left, nor on the right. So, let's open this up. Wow! Okay. I knew the screens on the 3DS XL were big, but putting the colored plastic in, you guys have huge. But the thing is, it's really, really light. It's really light. But, wow. We got the circle pad right here. D-pad. Nice response. I like it. Got the, Super Famicom colored face buttons. They feel a little bit bigger, but slightly better feedback than the original XL. Got start and select. Easy to click, just right there. Hold button, better feedback than the 2DS. I like it. With the new C-Stick. And it feels a little weird, actually. But from what I heard, it's actually pretty precise. So, guys, check it out in-game. Got the volume slider right here, which clicks just like the 3D depth slider. Easy to slide there. I got stereo speakers. Got a front-facing camera, and as well as a light sensor to for the auto brightness for the screens. So now let's do some size comparisons. So we'll start with the original 3DS. You can see the new XL is a little bit thinner, and with the glossy finish, for some reason I feel like the original 3DS is a little bit heavier. But I probably won't notice the difference in weight. Now we got a true size comparison. Do an XL. And the original XL. Now, when you look at this point, they are the same height, and that's true. But the new XL is a bit taller. That's just because of the additional triggers. So that's why. And I forgot to show off the let's see. And now the 3DS as well as the 2DS have slightly smaller screens, 3.5 inches on top, 3 inches below. So there's about a 90% difference between the two screens. So as we compare, let's bring back the original XL. But this time around, the screens are the same size between the two. Same size, same resolution, and they're exactly the same height when opened. So it's not going to look as crisp, but somehow the color reproduction on the top screen is just a little bit better from what I've heard. Now we have its 2DS. We close the XL, and you can see obviously the 2DS is a little bit bigger and this is shorter. But when you open up the XL, it makes the 2DS look small. Well, of course, DS have bigger screens, so that's going to make a big difference. So, I'm kind of curious how it feels in the hand. This actually feels pretty nice. I like it. For some reason, whenever I hold glossy things, I somehow have a better grip with it. So, now there's something interesting on the back. Let me just get the way this is down here. Because there's something hiding back here. Oh no, not this again. I'm gonna cut the camera. I got the wrong screwdriver. Alright, I decided to come back while I'm waiting for my computer to read my SD card. Might as well snap back on the back panel. Just to make life a little bit easier. There we go. Need to make sure everything snaps back in place. Alright, so just need to get these back in. Because to help pass time, we're going to set it up. So just get all this unnecessary stuff out of the way, get the stylus back in, if we're actually going to need it, so, and I need to charge my camera after this video. So, let's turn it on for the first time. Turn it on. Whoops, sorry, I hit the tripod. Alright, there we go. New Nintendo 3DS. Whoops. Alright, select the language. English. 3D. Check the 3D sliders all the way up. Alright. Hold it 14 inches away. Next. Alright, let's see this face track in 3D. Kinda curious to see it myself. Oh god. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest of the setup off camera. but you'll be able to hear me. Yeah. It really works. I'm impressed. Alright. Continue. Alright, I'm just gonna turn it off. Set date and time. It's the Friday the 13th, 2015. It is 14:23. There we go. You probably see some cats. Enter a nickname. No. Profile has been set. Alright. Configure internet settings. Alright. Set up, why not? Guess I know what to do. Manual setup. You know, after using the stylus a little bit, I'm starting to get used to it. I like it. So there's my Wi-Fi. Oops. No. Yep. Alright, so it's connecting. I'm kind of curious to see how well it does. Alright, connection test successful. Cool. Alright. Finish. Exit. Parental controls. Yeah, I'm not going to set that up. Save initial settings. Oh, snap. Oh, my stylus fell. Oops, sorry, I hit the tripod again. What do we know about? System transfer. There we go. No, I don't want to transfer. System has been configured. Nice. Anything? Alright. Oh, guns back on the laptop. Alright, let's go home. Yeah, like I said, it's actually pretty easy to get on top of the triggers here. Yeah, I know about that. Alright, so, yeah, home menu's on the same. What do we have here? 3D visual experience. Let's see a look at that. Yeah. Wow. I'm impressed. Alright, so let's go to, turn off all over. Turn power CV mode on. Thankfully that's back. Oh, there's also a setting for NFC. That's cool. Alright, so overall, I really love the new 3DS XL. I mean, I'm glad to spend some time playing with it, and dang. Even though I can't feel it moving, physically moving, the C-Stick is very responsive. Dang. Not bad, Nintendo. So I will do some speed tests after I charge up my camera. And, yeah. So that'll do it for me today. And until next time, you guys take it easy.